Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Scriptation app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Scriptation is a powerful script annotation app designed for film, TV, and video production professionals. It allows users to import scripts in PDF format, make detailed notes, highlight scenes, and sync changes across devices. One of its standout features is Note Transfer, which lets users automatically transfer notes from one draft of a script to another, saving time during rewrites or updates. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is smooth, intuitive, and offers robust tools for organizing script pages, adding annotations, and bookmarking key scenes. Users appreciate the ability to work offline, switch between multiple layers of notes, and easily share marked-up scripts with team members. It's particularly helpful for directors, script supervisors, and actors who work with evolving scripts. That said, there are some downsides. The full feature set is locked behind a subscription, and some users feel the pricing is steep for occasional use. A few users also mention syncing issues across devices and occasional crashes on larger files. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Scriptation is a highly functional tool for script professionals who need advanced annotation features and seamless note management. It's built specifically for the needs of production teams and can save hours of manual work. But for those on a tight budget or casual users, the free version may feel limited. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.